up? It's your boy. Today we are making a buffalo chicken dip, a party staple. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. But you gotta start with that chicken. So let's get started shredding it, baby. My bad, I'm sorry. Alright, so this is probably the most boring part of the process. But I mean, it's crucial if you want that good chicken. You gotta go to Costco and get that rotisserie for $5. I'm telling you, this is the best way to do it. Alright, so let's just go through all this, get it separated, and then we're gonna shred it. Good job. Alright, let's shred it.
I've only recently discovered that shredding it with a mixer is about 80 times easier than like with a fork or with your hands. It's just so fun.
So, when you're making buffalo chicken dip, the chicken, you know, it's gonna be there. So that's pretty much the universal ingredient. But I'll be honest, I like to mix it up just about every time that I make it. So you can do the basic chicken, Frank's buffalo sauce, ranch, cream cheese, boom. Basic dip. But I'm not basic. So I'm gonna show you how to get it real spicy in a good way. You'll see. Alright, so I honestly like to use, you can use Walmart brand, you can use Kroger brand, we're going to use both. This stuff's like 90 cents a bottle, and it's like $2 cheaper than Frank's. Honestly, haven't really been able to tell a difference. All I know is there's some good stuff right here. So I already used some of this bottle. I'm going to try to be better with measurements in this episode. This was about half a bottle. And what you want to do is a full bottle. And then you kind of go from there depending on how like dry or how wet you want your sauce. They always come with these tops to, like, I don't know. Oh shoot. The tops help if you want to be more conservative with the amount you use. Alright. That should be good for now. If we need more, we'll add it. Alright. So you want to mix all that in. And you're done. Just kidding. But honestly, this right here, so good. And so simple. Alright, let's get the next ingredient. Ranch, baby! Ranch dressing isn't really keto, but I just needed to get rid of this, and it's not outdated, so we're good. Let's use, I don't know, let's see, let's do 1 cup first. Right, there's 1 cup. Let's do 1 1/3. So that'd be 4/3 of a cup. And next we'll add in this cream cheese. I've got some leftover sour cream, so I'm going to go ahead and add that. As you can tell, buffalo chicken dip is not lactose free and dairy free. And I mean, lactose kind of upsets my tummy, but this stuff makes it worth it. Alright, so we added the cream cheese. It helps to put it on a plate and warm it in 30-second intervals until it's nice and mushy, and you can stir it in pretty easily. Alright, so here's your basic kind of buffalo chicken dip. It's not really hot, but if you leave it in the crock pot for a while, you can get there. But now we're going to mix it up. We're gonna start, I've got some yellow habanero stir-in paste. Add a nice little kick, bada bing. Not a ton, so it'll just add a little bit. Got some smoked paprika. This will definitely change the color a little bit. That's about a teaspoon of that. I'll do a couple teaspoons of garlic powder, or maybe just 2. Yeah, that'll be good. Alright, we've got some Cholula, some sweet habanero hot sauce. I'm just gonna add a couple dashes of this to give it an interesting taste. And last but not least, I'm gonna get some sriracha. This is my baby. So let's do, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of this. And then we mix it up. I like sriracha. It gives a good kick. It's got a great flavor. Low in sodium. Right? Yeah. 3% of your daily value of sodium. So good. All right, what are we missing? Shredded cheese. All right, so I'm shredding this. This is a whole, what is it? 16-ounce block of mild cheddar. We're going to be adding that to this. Alright, so the rest of this cheddar. And I'm actually going to add some onion powder as well. A little bit. There we go. Alright. So that is all that goes into this. We're gonna mix this up and turn the crock pot on low because it doesn't need to be done right away. And we'll be back later. Well, folks, here you have it. My famous, or one of my variations of my famous buffalo chicken dip. Enjoy.